I'm Justin Coomer. We're in Woodburn, Indiana. I farm with my dad and my brother. We farm about 4,300 acres of corn, soybeans, and wheat. Woodburn is a very flat area with one soil type. It's Hoytville clay, and compaction is a big issue for us. We were having some issues with those dual tires pinching that row. If you're on it just a little too wet, you're gonna see it for 2, 3, 5 years down the road. That in turn affects our yield and the bottom line. We've actually got an 8RX. We're not happy with the tracks as far as wear goes. There is definitely more maintenance when it comes to tracks. If I gotta replace a set of tracks every 2 years, that's not gonna cut it. We've had these LSWs for, it's been around 5 years now. You can hardly see where that tractor runs when you run on ripped ground. It just floats across. It does a great job. We can get on something just a day or so earlier because of the flotation. We don't have to worry about that compaction. It makes us more efficient. We can spend more time out in the field. And the biggest thing is that pinching effect that you get from that dual tire. You do not have that with an LSW. It's even surface. You've got so much rubber on the ground. It's not causing the compaction like a dual tire would. Now we ended up purchasing a loader for this tractor, loading lime or dirt or whatever we need to do with it. The flotation you get out of doing lime, I shouldn't have been out there the other day, and I was picking up lime and it was tacky, but with those tires it wasn't packing it. We've got tracks, we've got LSWs, we've got dual tires, we've had it all. And the LSWs are the way I want to stay, and I'd like to push towards more of our equipment with LSWs on it.